all, and welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and this week I'm drinking some wine straight out of the bottle. It's a big bottle, and I forgot glasses upstairs, so we're just going with it. I hope you guys aren't totally sick of the circle canvases yet. We are this close to finishing the circle canvas display that I want in my living room. We have, I think this is our last one. It is just one more little 8-inch round canvas, and then I will show you guys the whole display and what I would like to do with all of these circle canvases. So, if you would like to join me for this last one, for this display, we're not totally done with circle canvases ever, but the last one for a little bit. If you would like to see how it turns out, please continue watching. For our final circle canvas for just this display, I'm kind of ashamed that we haven't done one yet, but we're gonna be doing a ring pour. Circle canvas, circle paint technique, we just have to. And we're actually going to be doing kind of a traveling ring pour. So we're going to be starting with some lighter colors and slowly making our way down to something a little bit darker. So I guess let's just jump into the painting. As I mentioned before, the plan is to kind of go from light colors into darker colors. I have mixed up, I've got this gorgeous like golden mustardy kind of color, a light peach, a light mint, and then we're gonna start transitioning into an army green, and then we've got a very, very dark green, almost black looking. Definitely looks black in the cup right now. And I've just got some white mixed up too. We're gonna kind of put that down. It's just a little bit extra. So with this being a ring pour, I've got my empty cup, and we are gonna go ahead and pour each of these colors in order. We're actually gonna do darkest first, because when we pour it out of the cup, it's gonna come out lightest to darkest. So the darkest is gonna go into the cup first. We're gonna work our way through, and each of these cups already has silicone in there. So let us start with our layering. I don't want these to be too mixed together, so I'm gonna kind of angle my cup so they're not like dripping down hard onto each other. All right, there's all our colors in one big cup. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour some white down. And now I'm gonna try to work my way across the whole canvas. Because I've got so much paint, I might have to do very, very small circles, which was what I intended anyways. But let's give this a shot. That was random. I don't know why I did that. All right, it kind of looks like a feather now, but let's scooch it all around. And I want to make sure all of my edges have a little bit of something. Looks like they do. And now we've already got some cells popping up. Maybe I should dump a little bit more off. I like that big like spot in the center. It's like a giant, it's like the big red spot on Mars. Now let's get some heat gun action in here. Ooh! I'm gonna tilt it just a little bit more this way to get this weird swoop. There, and it adds just a little bit more of the gold up there because I love that color. I'm actually wearing it right now. And I told myself I was not gonna blow on this painting. I love Dutch pours so much that I feel like when I do any other style of painting and I want to move paint around, I instinctively go to blow and scooch the paint around with my breath to kind of feather it out a bit more. I think we've succeeded in adding some yellow and green to the wall art. I was looking at all of the circle canvases together, and yellow was another color that we were missing. We didn't have a whole lot of. So I wanted to throw that in there, and I wanted to give a little bit more green, and now we've got both. We're gonna go ahead and let this one dry. Once it's fully dry, I'll give it a nice coat of gloss. We'll talk about it and take a look at our glorious wall display with all of these circle canvases. Our painting is all dry and it is glossed up. Please don't mind my hair, I just recently dyed it, but it is time for us to take a close look at our painting. I actually really enjoy the way that it turned out, and I'm still not sure what possessed me to do that line down the middle that I did, and looking at it, I'm still kind of unsure whether I like that choice or not, but here is our painting. It's got so many cells, and there is, hidden within the yellow, right there is a cat hair. Joys of living with cats. I guess I could cover it up if I really wanted to try to keep them out, but kind of adds a little flair to it. But here is our finished piece. And here are also some up-close shots of what it looks like out in the natural light. And because I did mention that all of these circle canvases are being turned into one giant wall hang, I will also include some shots of that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button and visit me on social media. Links are in the description box below. I'll see you guys all for the next video. Cheers!